the book venue before crowd promoters be there, show interest. How many of our people can even afford to pay all these hundreds of thousands to book places?
Once I saw you, ni sana mu ye ofi nti wrap up na yen.
I know can some you ofi.
For you ni nti wo kasa obi enti biom nti pacho yen nti.
Mzgee, but who knows that na can say. I mean this is no, it's wrong for you to say that.
Me kasa.
How you only house that my concern because so I am making my point. How you only today?
Yen intem na yen.
No, you can't say yen intem. This thing Mzgee on first time.
Other for nyame ensha wo said an da wonya ebre eje edwa etie yen e won nsem aye de eba ebebesom yi eso se ne ne de kan a wo hwe eye channel yi na se won subscribe ya bomodi na subscribe efa ema yen na like videos na bomodi aso so share efa ema eye afofo comment no na wo de aba beson yen e wo comment section ho no meken kan e de amamo abre no na other for na no memenda de course ewo UTV United Showbiz no saying na wo hu no ACFI dodo na no ede sobo no ebo Mzgee ewo kwan a wo fa so ekasa na nso so no ebinum so hu ni say da bi o Mr Logic etoda ho oye rude etoda say de wo kasa wo say as yin program ne ye ne dia ase ade no wo no ne dia wo na abia ode ade no nti no wo kasa ni kwan so obi aye den eka ebim se na no memenda went me who the course on went me anti the course on dia eno nti na me wa ha se me de eba ababesom mo eno nti jebre na tie eye ensem no emu se de mo amonim no United Showbiz eye dwumadia ekoso ewo UTV eso achese honom no ene ensem a trend ne de ekoso no ene wo mo papa mu ekeka eye ensem na enkomodidie mu ne se de enyoma esi ekọ na obia panelist no se ensem bi se eba ye to de ma ni ato ama bi ni ato ama si ni ato ama di no obi atimi a kire na adwen e de afa eye ensem no ehu ebi na enum ena je se obi akeka ne dia wo hwe ase de na nsen na wo mota chepa ene obehu ne bi wo ho no ma 1 na still program no eguso ekoso 12 na eguso ekoso enti Mzgee ehu ne se ye woni ne production team no enkofo complaints aba wo mo be hwe na wo mo ayaso e de tie eye wo mo na ni o matimi ayeden apontem e de amomo se de da ne da no wo mo san eba o masan so enya ahwefo a wo mo ebehwe wo mo na wo matie wo mo na enum na eye panelist ba kon ani din e de eye Mr Logic na chese wo no na make eye na submission na chese wo mo de ensam no ebi aba eye na wieye a enesa na eba na chese Mr Logic e kasa ye mu na nkasa ye mu na chese ebraso se wo mu twitwa eye ensem esom na as a host nso so de yeden a wo benya eye notification ananse ye be prompt every eye MCR ananse wo production team no wo mo ebe prompt wo mo hunu se time na so enu nti no wrap it up enti enu mo no na chese kwan a wo be fa so wo be communicate e de ama eye ne panelist no ankoye anfa ama Mr Logic ene me no wo kase de edane entokwa butu ewo United Showbiz na so na dodo na kase na wo Mr Logic said de dan no wo de ye papi kojo ewo set no so no wo de ende na ye okay said de ya na nkofo ba na wo mo sore na mu intimidate wo mo mutimi kan sembi because of say the issue aba trendy enti na maka na mama nipa na looking so stupid I sorry to say we're looking so stupid say we hear them or anna the invitation at the bar program no e no de sebio no de mu hu ni say e normal e no ne Ghana for nsim bia o mu bu say Mr Logic so no de hu ni say e normal omo yes ankrofo ni bia because of say wono de wo industry ni mu ache nto right say o intimidate eye obi but no ne de host enya right so intimidate no anase wo ka bibi e de e kire no na ensem a Mzgee e de gu ho no odofo me ma me kasa anwa ye ngotie Mzgee nsem no emra ne kwan a Mr Logic e fa so e je nsem no esi fa ye no ntie ma sa enti wa show no ba wo mo ntem ye ntie mra ye ba ye beto so
the book venue before crowd promoters be there e be show interest. How many of our people can even afford to pay all these hundreds of thousands to book
places.
places.
Once I saw you, ni sana mu ye ofi nti wrap up na yen.
I know can some you.
For you ni nti wo kasa obi enti biom nti pacho yen
Mzgee, but who knows that na can say. I mean this is no it's wrong for you to say that.
Me kasa.
How you only house that my concern because so I am making my point. How you today?
Yen intem na yen.
No, you can't say yen intem. This thing Mzgee on first time I need to tell you this.
Me pacho.
No, it's your show. You are moderating. You cannot tell me what.
It is 12 midnight.
I
gave everybody 1 minute. You have been speaking for too long. What can
you know what? Mzgee, don't come back to me to speak. I won't speak again.
Okay, that's fine.
Don't come back to me on this show. I won't speak again. What are you telling me?
I bought 12 midnight.
So what? 12 minutes or what? Did you time Kewa? You didn't give him time.
You've spoken more than everybody else. In fact,
where's your timer? Where's your timer? Where's your timer?
The only argument I can
Mzgee, if not for my, the father you are moderating doesn't give you no.
I mean moderate show.
Don't come back to me and make us. What kind of impudence? What do you mean by Amuda? Come on, man. Go around, don't come back to me.
Yeah, that's
what are you
fine.
talking about?
You
asked me, okay. What did I say? This is the first thing you're doing. What do you mean by what do you want Amuda? Amuda for what reason? Don't even come back with talk.
It's okay, then don't talk again. Let's A plus.
Don't even try this with me again.
A plus.
What's wrong with you?
Yeah.
Don't feel that you can say disrespect. I will not allow you. You're making me angry with you.
You can be angry all you want, but
this is unprofessional for an part. It is unprofessional. It is unprofessional.
Well,
to tell a panel say it is unprofessional. I am telling you. It's unprofessional. Please
wow,
learn on the job. Learn on this job.
I've been doing this for how many years? Now you want to tell me to learn.
I've been in this job before you. Don't tell me what you're telling me. Learn on this job.
Please.
Learn on this job.
You learn how to speak to the point and stop whining. You are wasting our time.
Where is your...
Odofo ene said ye Mzgee ebusa nsem no se ene said we hu se eye oyonko wo hram no wo yone no ha sa na wo motifie no nso o ma bre o mo nso hram sa o munyaye o bekwa akoda mo twense show ne be point ene twitwa won nsem so na ye mfansi ena ayem logic say na da bi o de na wo pe e de aka chem na so kirem a eye Mzgee oye unprofessional e wo kwan a wo fa so ene ne kasa ye no na wo no watete sansem abat wabu nani e de egu eye eso na ne orofo engofo so akire wo madwen e de afa eye ehum na me ne wo kasa eye Showbiz e de wo de e ba wo se I think Mzgee was not professional as host. It could have been the panelist and not the host. If people are yawning, it means the show was boring. She could have said, kindly wrap up. We have overspent our time. Obi dia wa dia ba no say na wo show what so a wo ye. Na se wo bi te wono mo ram panelist ni bi yawning. Abra show na ekoso enyesa mapon show na ekoso. Wo bi yawning. Wo show ne so. Na wutimi de cite example de ma wo bi say so when we said there wo yonko asumasi yawning no sa na obi ti fie na say kai hu say wo crampo show no boring boring de ma even your panelists na ba no say viewers a wo mu ewo efin so hu ni say Mzgee wo ye unprofessional pa enu nti no ene wo say ni dwumadie no one fangu from once on fan and second in engu from because enya de say obetimi aboa ama adwuma no ayeden akosom can edia wode eba was very unprofessional of a host. Come on, argue with a panelist, very immature and one also edia wode eba ye eno no wo ne say even one panelist say yi anom na wo buza say me kan den me ye den then I can na just one who ni say no crampon enche whether you are right whether you are wrong crampona you shouldn't exchange words with a panelist on set inti wo bi so e dia wo de eba ye enonom na Felatio was saying Mzgee, you are very biased, unprofessional, and very disrespectful. Please, UTV, sack her now. Any hold for. What busy on UTV for one more and sacking on our shot. Said omo bre ya omo nyama ma brown and name musini. Omo saki Mzgee one omo de neighbor na eji se bia. Omo frɛ Fia Schwarzenegger na Empress nso so na Mzgee disrespecting no ewo United Showbiz so ye nti ene obeye da be host here ayeste no aye beans ensem no aye ka Tola ede awode eba ye was say how can you talk raw like this as a host? Mzgee, you are bomb. You have disgraced your producers and UTV management as a whole. One also so no Hama edia wode eba ye or say Mzgee was wrong to say all that to Mr. Logic. Is she normal? I totally support Logic 10,000%. I want also so no. Not just any order for ebinumo support say Mr. Logic kwan ya Mzgee fa so ene kasa ye no so na say dem bi kan ebinumo so kan erezi concern so say Mr. Logic drume bi ono so intimidate ne yonko panelist ni ebi set no so into no de no hu ni say okay ana say normal de ema no ana order for say de me de ensemi abremu mo na mo ye judge mo na mo wo fie mo na mo hwe se de enioma esi ekoye ya sanso eyi de akire mo makwa akotie ensem saying na wo hu no esi efa the host no was she unprofessional and a panelist no so no say be when man control the temper and I say how he reacted no was the right way and the best way to react. Out of all wajen channel now they aba beso ye now subscribe to our channel, follow ye on all the social media platforms no eso ekeskapa enimidi makram.